Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? As we all know, Ramadan is only 3 weeks away. So as you can see in this video, this is my little cute Ramadan kajur tray and this is fruit chaat. So today specifically I will be sharing my fruit chaat recipe with you. You can make fruit chaat however you want to make it, but I will be using my recipe here and you will love it and try it, and please do share with your other friends as well. And this is my little Ramadan setup with some lanterns and candles on when you're about to open your fast, and if you invited someone for iftari or to open fast with you, you can do this cute little setup as a fast opener for you. So let's go ahead and I will guide you through the fruit chaat recipe. People make fruit chaat by many ways. Some people like to use specific fruits, some people like to use very limited fruits, they like to add variety of stuff in it, but I like to add specific fruits, especially bananas, guavas and mangoes. These are the three main fruits which give a lot of taste to fruit chaat. And also I'll be using some juices like guava juice and mango juice for my fruit chaat, and some imli chutney like tamarin sauce. If you want to use it, that's your choice. If you don't want to use it, that's also your choice. It literally depends on what you like to add and what you don't like to add. So let's go ahead and let me walk you over through this recipe. So guys, first thing I'll be using is guavas. I bought them from market. As you know, I live in USA, so they don't really have nice guavas here as they're available in other Middle Eastern countries. They taste more good, but I got these guavas from Produce and I will be cutting them off. You need the top part of the guavas, but the inside you have to take out the seeds so they don't look good in fruit chaat, and they come in your teeth when you bite it, so they will be really hard in your teeth and stuck in your teeth. You don't want really hard stuff in your fruit chaat. You want nice juicy tender fruits, but not too tender and not too soft fruits either, just right in the middle, which are perfectly tender and juicy. So this is how I'm cutting all of my guavas, as you can see, into small pieces. I like to make small pieces of all the fruits. I don't like big chunky pieces, so it's easier to eat with spoon. So these are the fruits I'll be using for my fruit chaat. I will go over them one by one. So first I'm going to be using apples without peel. I cut them into small pieces. I used about 3 apples. These are the guavas. Next fruit is mangoes. I cut them into small little pieces. I'm also using mango pulp on the side as well and a little juice of it. And these are peaches, some strawberries, and I will be adding bananas right at the end as they turn black if you add them ahead of time. And this is pomegranate seeds. I already took them out. I have a whole separate videos on pomegranate seeds, how to de-seed them quickly. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. So first step is I'll be adding guavas into a big bowl where you want to make fruit chaat in. Add apples, and remember there's no certain quantity. You can take however quantity you want to of apples, but proportions, that's totally up to you. Now I'll be adding some mangoes. Add strawberries. Peaches, and now I'll be adding mango pulp. Remember, mango pulp already has mango juice in it, so you don't need to add it separately. This is a small orange juice I already took out, and I'll be using a fresh squeezed orange juice, not the already made bottles in the grocery stores. And this is the guava juice I'll be using in it. Trust me, this tastes so good and it will give amazing taste to your fruit chaat if you add a guava juice. Next step is I'm gonna be adding bananas all the way at the end so they don't turn black. So your fruit chaat has to be really juicy so bananas don't turn black that quickly. Remember, if you're about to serve fruit chaat for Ramadan especially, add the bananas just like 15 minutes before you serve the fruit chaat, and they will stay fresh and your fruit chaat will look amazing. So I added probably there are 3 big large bananas. I added 3 of them. Now I'll be using at least 4 tablespoons of this chutney, like tamarin or imli chutney. It's already handmade of national brand. I love it. It's so good. You don't have to make it. You can go buy at the grocery stores. So like 4 tablespoons full. It will give you a really yummy, that spicy taste to your fruit chaat and you will love it. Remember, I'm making a big bowl of fruit chaat for like at least 5 to 10 people. That's why I'm adding 4 tablespoons of imli chutney in there. So once you add your imli chutney, the next step is I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's your choice, you don't have to add sugar, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, like fruit chaat masala, or if there's a homemade fruit chaat masala, you can use that as well. Now mix everything up together. Make sure to bring all the juice at the bottom of the bowl up and down so it's all mixed up well together. And there you go guys, your fruit chaat is ready to go. And remember, always add the bananas at the end of the fruit chaat. And this is a cute little bowl I used for fruit chaat. As you can see, it's so juicy and looks tasty and yummy. And this is my little cute setup for Ramadan table. Just wanted to give you an idea for the decor. Until then, see you next time.